So today we got a good one, guys. First modification video of 2025. That's right. So if it's your first time living with 3M auto vlogging, be sure to subscribe, check out all my other videos, but stick around, this one's gonna get good. So I've been watching all these TikTok and YouTube videos on insurance fraud where people are just backing up into people, just tearing up their property and then claiming that they hit them. It's your word against theirs. So I was like, wait a minute. We all want to protect our investment, so what better way to do so than I need a dash cam, and I need one bad. So I ordered me a dash cam from Amazon, which is awesome, guys, I'm telling you. But I'm like, wait a minute, I can't mount this thing to my windshield. I've got a tinted windshield, it'll pull the tint off, it won't stick. And I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to that. So I reached out to Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. That's right, for these trucks, Jeeps, SUVs, they've got you covered. Whether you want to mount your cell phone, your cameras, walkie-talkies, microphones, everything, they've got you covered. So let's dive into it, guys. That's pretty cool. Bullet Point, yes. Thank you note, that's pretty cool. All right, let's see this stuff. Yeah, look at all this. I love it. Got some tools. They provide everything you need. Look at that. High quality mounts. We're going to start by removing the rubber mat on the F-150s right here. Once we remove the mat, you can see where this is actually going to mount. Get a good eye for it. So, but do not think that, well, I'll just take my drill and drill holes down through there and mount it that way. Can't do that, and you don't want to risk hitting any electrical or valuable components up here under this. So we're going to pop this out. We got to remove the speaker. They give you the trim tool. They give you everything you'll need to remove this panel. Then we'll take it back on the tailgate, mark the holes, mount it, bolts, nuts, washers, everything, then we'll reinstall it. Want to get this trim tool up under here, pop this up just like this. Now if you don't have the B&O system and you just have the center speaker, this whole console will pop up, but I just found out that I've got the B&O, so I've got to pop this up. So I'm going to use the trim tool to remove that first. Right. Just work around it. There'll be 4 tabs that pop up. I want to remove that just like that. Now we'll remove those 2 7mm bolts in the back there. I tell you what's crazy. I thought I'd have to go get my 7mm ratchet out. Nope. They provide a 7mm tool for those bolts. Awesome. Careful, you don't want to scratch your dash or puncture that speaker or anything like that. So now we pop that loose and I can unclip that speaker and we can take this out to the tailgate. All right, so we've got it back here on the tailgate. You are gonna need to supply your drill, but they do give you a drill bit, so you don't have to guess at what size you need. All right, go ahead and load the drill bit on there. Just have it ready. Okay, so you wanna either measure or just eyeball where you want this left to right. You wanna make sure it's where you want it. Okay, so then there'll be 4 mounting holes that you'll have to drill. All right, and it says use a punch or a pin to mark the spots. Well, that's kind of tough with it being black, so I'm going to use a silver Sharpie or paint pen to mark this, just like this. All right. Just like that. We're going to do all 4 of them. All right, now they give us supplied bolts, nuts, and washers. All right, it says bolt goes through, just like that. Washers and nut go on the underside. Put your screwdriver through the top, tighten the bottom down, just like that. All right, got all 4 securely tightened. For mounting this, there is 2 strips of adhesive tape on the bottom. You can take that off and mount it with or without the tape. As long as you're putting the bolts in, that's very secure. I went ahead and peeled the tape off and stuck it anyhow, but I'm not sure if they send that for people that just want to use it to try and stick it without drilling holes or not. But I went ahead, so mine is secured with bolts and the mounting tape. Even though I didn't show you me pulling it off, it is stuck with the tape and the bolts. Let's plug the speaker back in. Here it clip. Set this back down right there. Go ahead and push the front down. The rubber mat does not fit back down in there at this point. You can take scissors and cut out if you want that. It doesn't really bother me. I never keep anything up there to begin with, so. All right, just want to tighten that down on that ball. Fits just like that. Loosen it a touch. You can adjust it where you want it. I think that's very cool. Now, the phone mount will go on this side, just like this. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I like it. And you can lower it out of your line of sight. It'll come all the way down. You just loosen your wing nuts and the phone can actually come down to about right here. So guys, I wanted the bullet point mounting solution for the phone so I could free up room right here with the WeatherTech cup phone. It's a neat thing to have, but it really takes up my space for drinks and that sort of thing. So yeah, WeatherTech is gone and the bullet point is installed. Now let's get started on the dash cam. All right guys, so I've got the dash cam here. Went ahead and peeled the sticky backing off right here. You don't want to just stick this on the dash or whatever, it's going to fall off. So that's why I opted for the bullet point mounting solutions. This is the adapter that comes separate from the plate mount, but you can order this. I'll put links in the description. And it comes with these little magnets right here. Now watch what I'm about to do. You guys watch me. These magnets are sticky back also. All right, so I'm gonna carefully mount this just like that. So we take the adapter just like this. All right, so I can have it as high up as I want. I can have it lower down here, just the mounting points. See that? Just like that. Got our plates mounted to this. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. All right, guys, the bullet point phone mount, there it is. The universal adapter right here from Bullet Point. You can mount just about anything you want. I chose to mount my dash cam. They supply the magnets, everything for that. Right now, I've just got it temporary wired right there, just to what they supply with the camera. But I'm gonna hardwire and hide all my wires so you won't be able to see much. But that's what it will look like. So there's the house right there. Dash cam for protection. That's right, gotta protect ourselves, guys. And it also, this dash cam also has a button I can push and it'll record behind me as well. So I'm not saying you got to use the same camera that I've got. That dash cam, it works just fine. But you can use your GoPro, you can use any cam you want to with Bullet Point mounting solutions. Just remember, when you go to pick yours up, remember where you heard it first. If that wasn't a shameless plug, I don't know what is.
3 hours later.
Check it out. No wires to the 12 volt. That's right. Got the wires zip tied, ran down through the console. Custom. So guys, that's gonna do it for the video today. I appreciate y'all checking in, watching the videos. And if y'all like this video, check out this video. If y'all like that video, check this one out. I'm just saying, I got a long list of videos that I know you guys will love. Head on over to the channel page, check them all out. Another car in the video, of course, doesn't matter. Unscripted, unsupervised, y'all know how we roll.